Real Deal Videos. Let me show you what's going on our front lawn. What the front door? That's funky. Whoa! That's fucked up. My concrete. No, just kidding. We got a pipe issue. Roots going through. So I had to change it all the way to the road. 3 breaks. One at the house. Or sorry, inside the house. Through that hole down there. And I slept through the guy jackhamming in the basement. Now that's some good quality sleep. It's all done. Pretty quick job. Half a day so far, at least. Gotta refill it, pack it, and go from there. Yeah, pretty costly job for the landlord, but stuff like this gotta get done. Till next time, keep fit, have fun.